Super Truck is helping Ben take care of the farm animals. Dr. Zig, what is this gun for? Oh no! Dr. Zig is going to hurt the animals! You can't play with fire, Dr. Zig. It's too dangerous. Run away from the fire, animals! The poor cow needs help. Super Truck, time to transform! Super Fire Truck will stop the fire. Oh no, the fire is spreading toward the cow. Super Truck can't extinguish the fire. Ben, can you help? Ben, are you abandoning the poor animal? You'll have to deal with this fire alone, Super Truck. Oh no, the fire is reaching the cow. What was that? Ben is here to help. He will use sand to make a path to cross the fire. You can get out now, cow. Let's finish extinguishing this fire. Good job. Let's make sure the cow is fine. Where are the rest of the animals? Let's get the rabbit off the tree. Oh no, the flames are spreading toward the rabbit. Phew! That was close. The poor rabbit is terrified. Don't worry, Bunny. Super Truck and Ben won't let anything bad happen to you. Are you okay, Rabbit? Can you hear the chickens? Super Truck, the chickens need your help. Not so fast, Dr. Zig. Watch out, Super Truck! Don't let the flames reach you! The courageous little chicken tries to help you, Super Truck. Dr. Zig, why don't you take on someone your own size? Super Truck, get into the maze before the little chicken gets lost. You need to locate the little chicken before it's too late. Time to use the ST-3000. The radar will help Super Truck save the little chicken. The radar is detecting the little chicken's position. Little chicken, take that detour. Quickly, you have to go back. Oh no, Dr. Zig is after the little chicken again. Faster, Super Truck, you're so close. Animals are not toys. You can't play with them like that. The little chicken is teaching today's lesson. Oh no, Dr. Zig has disappeared. Super Truck, ready to find him and stop him? What a lovely day, Super Truck. An ice cream with the cherries on top. Was that your evil twin stealing ice cream? Oh no, Carrie is mistaking you for your twin. Your sandcastle competition needs a jury, babies. That's evil Super Truck. Don't call him. Evil garbage truck, what are you planning? You need to find your evil twin before he ruins the beach. There he is. It seems that the bad button is switched on. You need to turn that button off, Super Truck. Time to transform. super police car is ready to stop the thief. Stop right there, evil twin. The evil twin is shooting garbage. Hurry, Super Truck. Your evil twin is running away. Do not disturb them while playing. Evil twin is trying to make you look like a villain. Let's bring the ball back to Jerry and prove your innocence. Oh no, Jerry believes you're the thief. Let's stop the twin from causing more trouble. Keep going, Super Truck. You need to press that button. You'd better watch over your things, Edna. There is a thief on the beach. Too much sun for your eyes, evil twin? Oh no, the evil twin is determined to make you look bad. And Edna is believing it. Don't let him get away, Super Truck. Time to transform. Super Boat is ready to ride the waves. The twin is planning to annoy Bobby. Let's stop him. Bobby loves his nap. No one dares interrupting it. Oh no, this is going to be a catastrophe. Luckily, Super Truck is here to stop you. You can't catch him this way, Super Truck. Now Bobby is mad at you too. No time to explain, Super Truck. Let's use the ST-3000. Super Boomerang will help you press the good twin button. Hurry, Super Truck. He's getting back to land. You missed it, Super Truck. Try again. Oh, that was close. He's getting away. This is your final chance to catch him. Nice move. Let's make sure the twin is not harmful anymore. The twin is feeling sorry for what he did. Apologies accepted. Do you still like volleyball? This ambulance seems to be in a hurry. Walter thinks the ambulance is Amber and wants to say hi. Someone needs to find out who the evil ambulance is and stop it. Super Truck is having a medical check. You're in great shape, Super Truck. Oh no! Matilda thinks Amber is the evil ambulance. She's putting her in jail. Matilda, Amber was with Super Truck all this time. You're arresting the wrong ambulance. Matilda is convinced that Amber bumped Walter. Don't worry, Amber. Super Truck will help Walter and prove your innocence. Time to transform. Super Ambulance is ready to stop the bad guy and help all those who need it. Let's give Walter the medical care he needs. A Band-Aid kit will do the work. Walter is feeling better. Walter, who did this to you? Walter can't remember now. He still needs some time to recover. What's wrong, Walter? Super Truck, we have an emergency. Billy seems to be in pain. He needs your help, Super Truck. Billy? What's wrong? Billy got bumped by an ambulance. Let's treat Billy first. The pill will stop the pain. The bandage will help you recover quicker. Let's stop the bad ambulance, Super Truck. Billy saw the ambulance heading towards the canal. What does Robot Amber do on the bridge, Super Truck? Robot Amber must be the evil ambulance. Oh no! The robot is planning to hurt Bobby! You have to warn him! Use your sirens, Super Truck! Bobby! Stop! Whew. That was close. Bobby is safe, Super Truck, but the robot is mad at you. Oh no! The robot is attacking you! Time to use the ST-3000! The tow rope will stop the bad robot. Nice move! Time to prove Amber's innocence. That's right. It was Amber's robot assistant. Walter remembers it now. You're free to go, Amber. And the robot is back to its kind state. Matilda is sorry for arresting you, Amber. There is an accident, and cars need medical care.
Wow, Carl! I didn't know you could do that! That's amazing! Uh-oh! Looks like somebody is in trouble! You better check it out, Carl! Oh no! Jerry is practicing for a big race, but the racetrack is full of garbage! It must have been blown there by yesterday's strong wind! Carl, I think this is a mission for Super Truck!
Dee-doo-boo!
Hi, Jerry. You look worried. Are you concerned about not being able to practice for the race? I thought so. But don't you worry, Super Truck is here to help you. What is it, Super Truck? You've got an idea? Super Garbage Truck? Awesome! All right, let's have a cleaning race. 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah! You are both winners! You want to ask your friends to clean your garbage and find your trophies? Super Truck, could you help? Great! Wow, Jerry, you were right. This place is a mess. Your trophies are somewhere among those boxes? But how are we going to find them? That's it! A magnetic arm? Of course! Those trophies are made with metal, so a magnet should pull them out of this pile of garbage. Brilliant! Look, Jerry, your trophies are found! Well done, guys. You saved the day. It's race day. Jerry looks very excited about it. Super Truck and Gary are here to watch and support him. Yes! Jerry wins! Wow! Super Truck, this is amazing! Thank you, Super Truck. You saved another day. Hey, guys. Having a snack? Oh, you picture shapes into the clouds? How cool is that? Wow, that rocket really knows what he does. Look, baby Rocky's here too. Amazing! Oh, watch out, Ben! Step back, babies! Uh-oh, that won't hold for long. I'd better call Super Truck right away. Carl! Ben's in danger. He's about to fall. Hurry up. Super Truck? Here you are! Oh! Ben is slipping because of the juice! You'd better think fast, Super Truck! Great thinking! A super carrier truck! Oh! Step back, guys! Don't worry, Ben! Hurry up, Super Truck! Oh no! Is that the highest you can get to? You're almost there! Come on, Super Truck! A little more effort! Ben! Courage, Super Truck! Phew, that was close! Well done, Super Truck! What a relief! Right, babies? Oh, you want to go down? But how did you get there? Oh, I see. That's nice of Penny. But she went back to work. Super Truck's platform is too short. What do you think, Super Truck?
Oh,
That's your idea face.
you too.
Oh, a huge mattress. Well, babies, you'll have to jump. Yes. Listen to Ben, babies. That should be fun. Oh, you'll go first? That's very brave of you. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh. Oh. That seems really fun, doesn't it? Who's next? Oh, that's unexpected. Well, great job, Super Truck. Oh, you babies seem to have started enjoying it. You really saved the day, Carl. See you next time.
Oh, and ice cream. Yummy. What was that, Super Truck? Marley Hulk is totally out of control. What a disaster. Elsa and Matilda are after him. You should help them. You'd better become another Avenger strong enough to stop Marley Hulk. Wow, you're not Super Truck anymore. You are Wizard Truck. Elsa, Matilda, don't worry. Help is on the way. Oh, I think he's pretty close. Wow, Wizard Truck is so cool. Game over, Marley Hulk. Wizard Truck is on to you. That's right. Teach Marley Hulk to calm down. Oh no, Marley Hulk is coming back at you. Be careful. Wizard Truck, where are you? Elsa, Matilda, watch out! Marley Hulk is hitting those cars to get away. Oh no. Wizard Truck, where did you go? Wait a second. What is that sound? Amazing! Your magic is unbelievable. What are you up to, you monster truck? Watch out! This is bad. This is really bad. You have to save them. I don't think it's the right spelling. Perhaps it would be better to use the ST3000. Nothing better to fight fire than water. Good idea. Oh no, the fire is too strong. But you can do it, Wizard Truck. Come on, you're almost done. Hooray! Oh, the fire is gone now. Now, let's get Marley Hulk. Right, Wizard Truck? Come on, again? This is not fair, Marley Hulk. You will get what you deserve. You'll see. The wall. Wait a minute. Wizard Truck is here. You have nowhere to hide. Do you hear that? It's the police coming. They're on to you, Marley Hulk. Great catch, Wizard Truck. Good job. Now, Elsa and Matilda will do the rest. Marley Hulk seems to have calmed down and is back to normal. You look better, Marley. Well, now you're going to have to pick up everything you've broken. Well, I think he still needs to calm down a bit more. Super Truck and the babies are having fun. What game are you playing, guys? Oh, you're playing hide and seek. Seems that Super Truck's robot twin wants to join the game. Chili, look who is here. I think he is not Super Truck. Chili, run! Super Truck, the babies are in panic. Oh no, the babies think Super Truck is the evil robot. The bad robot button is turned on. You need to find the babies before evil drill. Time to transform. Spider Truck will stop the evil drill. Let's look for the babies, Super Truck. You need to find a spot with a better view. Let's see if you can spot the babies from here. There is Chili. You'd better get there before evil drills, Super Truck. Don't worry, Chili. Help is coming. Keep quiet. You're safe now, Chili. Let's find the other babies, Super Truck. The babies must be close. Get behind a tree, Sonny, quickly. That was close. That's from Sonny's whistle. Oh no, Sonny is still thinking you are the bad guy. Evil Drill heard the whistle too, and he's after you. You've been running from the wrong Super Truck, Sonny. Super Truck, use your spider web. Does anyone have an idea about Barry's hiding place? That's okay, babies. Let's find Barry. Super Truck, there's Barry. Barry is also thinking you are the bad guy. He needs to see the babies to understand. Nice work, Sonny. Now you can explain to Barry that he is running from the good Super Truck. Oh no, the evil robot is after Barry now. How are you going to find Barry this time? Sonny's whistle is giving Super Truck an idea. Time to use the ST3000. Barry will hear the hi-fi machine and find you quickly. Barry, you need to find help. That's from your friends. Here they are. Evil Drill is getting close. Where is Super Truck? This is where the hide and seek stops. And you've lost the game, Evil Drill. The robot is feeling sorry for what he did. That's okay, robot. Are you ready for another round of hide and seek?
Edna, take your headphones off. There's a fire all around you. The fire is spreading too quickly. You need help. Carl, there's a fire at the park. The city needs your skills.
Oh no.
Edna must have hit a pipe. Super Truck, what will you transform into to get rid of these fires?
My name is Renato.
A fire truck? Of course! Good job! But there's still plenty more to go! There's something on your left! To the right now!
Renato.
Edna, Super Truck is here to help! Super Truck, the fire has spread around the park!
My name is Renato. Michumo.
You're going to use the ST-3000? Oh boy, I can't wait to see what it does this time!
Better boo.
A water tank? Amazing! Wow, it's really working! It's putting out fires too! Oh no! Carl, you have to stop the fire before it gets there! Phew, that was a close one! Wow! Impressive stunt, Marley! Right, I think that's enough fire for one day.
My name is Renato.
You want Marley to jump over you? Okay, have fun, guys!